Hi guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and what a day. What a day. What is very surprising at the moment is that we see barely any premiums or positive fundings. Take a look over here. Oh, like everybody's sold already. Like they sold their longs, it seems, and they shorted or something, because we are barely seeing any premiums. That gives me the idea we're not even topped out yet. We are not even topped out. We're not even, over here, when funding and premiums get high, you're like, oh, this is getting scary, I should take some profit now. But over here, we're barely seeing that. Over here, you could see it a little bit, like funding got high, premiums got high. But now, not even. And looking at the daily, you're like, well, or at the 4-hour candles, you're like, well, we're about to top out. But looking at the premiums and the fundings, no, we have a lot more room to grow. Also, a lot of Bitcoins are exiting exchanges, meaning people buy it and dump it in their cold wallet. So they're just new hodlers. They're just buying to hodl. And that is the most bullish thing there is for Bitcoin. Also, that's confirmed by the premium on Coinbase over Bitfinex. We see a big premium on Coinbase versus Bitfinex, meaning people are buying spot, which is the best thing there is for Bitcoin. And margin exchanges, they're not even overbought. Like they're not even longing their longs. It seems a lot of people are hoping for pullbacks. People were hoping for pullbacks to 12K. Later on, people were hoping for pullbacks to last year's high, to like 13.8, and they all didn't get it. Like they all missed this run up. So yeah, that is very bullish. What line do we see now? We broke recently this line. And yeah, that is quite the big line, of course. Really nice steps on it over here. Some action, we rode it over here. And over here we rode it, and now we broke it up. Of course, if people start longing the top, we will see a big pullback, a shakeout, shaking people out of their longs. My target already is reached, of like 17K. I'm still long, of course, but if I would buy more here, I'm not sure. I would rather, I think, look at Ethereum right now, because Ethereum has been lagging Bitcoin, and we know if Bitcoin starts going sideways, Ethereum will start moving again. So, Ethereum is almost at the yearly high, looking very good over here. Ethereum is about to make a same sort kind of move, I think, breaking this top line and breaking the yearly high. We are right at it right now. If we break this one, where will it go? Well, we have many places to go. 560, $800. It wouldn't surprise me at the moment. It would not. Seriously. We also could include these two tops over here. That would be around 520, but I think if we break 500, we will go way past it. Looking at Ethereum BTC. Ethereum BTC is looking a little bit weak over here. We are at the daily right now, and we are printing a big doji. That means a reversal, kind of. What is very important at the moment is that we hold this low over here. What I want to see is us breaking out of this upper trend line and start making higher lows. I am expecting something like this, and it will go quick. It will probably even go quicker, but I'm expecting something like this, or more quick. It will go, if this breaks, it will go to the yearly highs. If it's the Ethereum BTC ratio, of course. So if that happens, with a really high BTC price, it will go very high. And yeah, for BTC, we're almost out of resistances. We're almost 3 more K, and we are at all-time highs. 2 more K. We were just below $20,000 depending on what exchange you were on. Some Chinese exchanges hit over $20,000 in 2017. So the all-time high is really a bit depending. You could look at some indexes, where they mix some different exchanges in and get the correct high, if you can call that the correct one. Anyway, we are almost at all-time highs, and for me, we're not nearly topping yet because fundings are very low. Also, premiums are barely there, so this is really spot buying or a short squeeze, one of those. And yeah, it's still looking good. It's still looking good. It's still looking very good. We just set a low over here. Making a bull flag kinda wouldn't surprise me here either. But it surely isn't looking weak at all. I would start looking at Ethereum because Ethereum is still fairly low and Ethereum is about to break the yearly high. We can zoom in a little bit on Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is looking very good on the hourly, and 490 is the yearly high for Ethereum, and I think today or tomorrow we will break it and moon past it, 560 probably. So if you want to start a trade now, I would go into Ethereum, long it till, let's say, 550, because you want to be below the resistance at 560. So 550 is a great target, just below it, because you don't want to get front ran, which to me is kind of a safe trade. Like I said, Bitcoin, it doesn't look bearish at all, but we did went up a lot. A lot of people are expecting scam wicks to the downside, and because of people expecting it, I'm not expecting it to happen, because too many people are ready to buy. That means they won't get a chance. So that's about it for today. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these sign up links: Bybit, Deribit, FTX. I prefer Bybit. With one of these sign up links you get discounts in your trading fees, and discounts eat your profits, so make sure you use one of these. Also, if you ever have any questions, make sure to send me a DM on Twitter, or make sure to respond or comment on my video. Make sure to subscribe as well. See you guys again tomorrow, and like I said, if you have questions, please let me know.